Here, back on another video. Today we are unboxing the Disney Movie Club package from. It's gonna be a package that I've been waiting for, but just still the second order. The first order has not arrived. Silly Disney Club, not sending me the first order when they're supposed to. Anyways, let's get the information out. Let's just get the movie out. Technical difficulties, and let's just get it out. 3, 2. There it is. You could go higher, faster, further with this movie. Now we have Captain Marvel. But what else is inside, you might be wondering? Well, my good friend on the internet, here's one thing. Some weird stickers. I didn't know this was included, but I knew this awesome lithograph is included. Dun 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 dun! Yeah, it's Captain Marvel lithograph. And it's just paperwork, and just like some stuff. I don't know what this is. This is like some OG trash they had. And this is also trash, the Geico ad. But hey, we got our first package. Tomorrow, my other package should arrive tomorrow. So we're gonna have to show the video tomorrow. Anyways, this has been a video from Yoshi.IT. Also, we're so close to 30 subs. Come on, guys. We want to do the 30 subs special? Then hurry up.